Trading analysis has officially changed. Back in the day, you would use technicals and fundamentals. Nowadays, you just follow what Donald Trump is doing. Bitcoin crashed 13.5% in an hour. Ethereum crashed over 20%. Alts crashed 70 to 80%, some of them. ADA, nearly 50%. Doge, 65%. Engine Coin, 99%. This is insane, guys. This was an Extinction level event. I just want to go through some of the other charts. So, 25%, not too bad. I wonder why that held up. Tau wasn't too bad. That only dropped 40%. And Virtuals, 75%. This is insane. I mean, this is where trading analysis goes out the window. To an extent, if we zoom out to my weekly chart, we're still in this uptrend. And you can see that it almost touched this trend line. So we're still in the game. There's no need to panic. You don't want to be selling. But if you look at all markets across the board, everything tanked. The S&P 500, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, the UK, gold and silver are still holding strong, so that's good. Now, here's the wild part. Now, I don't normally like to talk about Twitter, but I did see this in one of the Telegram chats that I'm in. The single trader in the morning, he opened up a massive short on Bitcoin through Hyperliquid. He deposited $80 million in USDC and used over 5x leverage to bet against BTC. On top of that, he transferred $50 million into Binance as well. And look what happened. Let's flick down into the 1 hour chart. Actually, let's go into the 30-minute chart. Just before here, in that same whale, he had already had his 420 million short, but he actually shorted the market again. At the very bottom of the drop, he closed 90% of his Bitcoin short and completely exited his Ethereum short because he shorted that as well. And he literally pocketed 200 million in one day. Now that's the only instance we can trace through on-chain analytics. Now let's be honest, crypto is a rigged casino, and last night's events proved that beyond doubt. But does that mean that you shouldn't invest in Bitcoin? Definitely not. This is always going to happen. Market's always going to be rigged. And we just need to plan accordingly. And so last night I was texting out updates as this was crashing, just adjusting these trend lines. So these two are, I'm not going to delete them yet because we could react off of them. Now, when you have like an Extinction level event like this, I don't like to really include these wicks in my analysis. It's the same with like the COVID low. So I'm just going to leave that there, and we're just going to have to see how things play out. I mean, are we going to fall further? I don't think so. I think normal service will resume. So I'm not selling. What happened last night, you can't trade that unless you're an insider. As insane as it was. It's, we're still on track. We're still in this long-term uptrend. So I also want to touch on Bitcoin dominance. I've never seen this chart zoom up so much in my life because I was watching this as well, and this just kept on climbing and climbing and climbing. It's come back down again, and hopefully, normal service resumes and we fall back down again. So yeah, this is probably one of the craziest nights in crypto that I've seen in a while because not many people saw this coming. Even my indicator, it's still red above the green. So yeah, even that couldn't forecast this. But anyway, let's take it step by step, day by day. And we're still in the game, people. Relax.